These types of videos are getting millions of views across social media right now. Imagine taking any car you want, a Lamborghini, Fortuner, or literally any vehicle, and transforming its color with a satisfying AI-generated paint process. And here's the best part. This type of videos you can easily create using your own mobile phone with only free AI tools. And you don't need to be an AI expert because this is very easy. So, in this video, I'll show you the exact workflow to create these viral car color transformation videos with a few simple steps. First, I've created a master prompt specifically for you guys, and you'll find the link in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt. Now, open Flow AI, switch to video generation mode, choose your preferred aspect ratio, and make sure you select the Omni Flash video model. Now, simply paste the entire video prompt into the prompt box. Scroll to the top of the prompt and find the Object section. This is where you'll enter the vehicle you want to transform. For this example, I'll type Rolls-Royce. Now, scroll down to the Color section and enter the color you want. I'll choose red. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Now, wait a few seconds and Flow AI convert your simple text prompt into a video. The video is ready. You can see the vehicle moving through the automated paint machine while the color gradually changes. The robotic paint arms, realistic reflections, and smooth transformation make the result look surprisingly professional. Let's try another example. This time, I'll follow the exact same process, but instead of a Rolls-Royce, I'll enter Fortuner. For the color, I'll choose black. Now, click Generate again. Wait a few seconds, and it will generate your second video, as you can see. So, try different cars, experiment with unique colors, and keep improving your final reveal shots. Once you find a combination that looks great, you can create dozens of videos using the same workflow. So, if you found this useful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, Decoder AI, because I'll keep showing you the newest AI niches, tools, and workflows before they become completely saturated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.